In this video, we show you how to create a product in CogentShift CPQ Product Catalogue. It also shows configuring the necessary fields related to CPQ and how to produce the product images. First, initiates flow by clicking on Create Product button. Enter product-related required information and click on the Create button. Review the information you already entered and set the correct pricing method. Enter the product specifications. You can set CPQ-related configuration under the CPQ Configuration tab. And finally upload the product images. Visit CogentShift.com.